Here we got a package. The name of this piece of tech is single hot air gun. What is it used for? It's used for fixing all kinds of tech products and is used to remove screens, refix a new one, and also replace a charging system and all kinds of IC which need to be fixed on any mobile phone. This piece of tech has a regulator in which you can control the heat, and you can also control the air on any tech in which you want to work on. So what makes this piece of tech so special is that it's movable. That's wherever you're going. Is unlike the normal workstation in which is in the market, which is bigger, that has the soldering iron and the hair blower, hair gun. But this particular one is just single built. We have the heater and we have the air, which simply means you can regulate the amount of temperature of heat that goes into any piece of tech in which you are fixing, and you can also control the air in which is needed. I'm going to unbox this piece of tech for you to get to see what is inside. Now it's time for us to unbox. I'm removing everything from it, and I'm going to show you how this piece of tech works. And as you can see, it comes with mount control. It comes depending on the kind of tech in which you're fixing. You can either use the bigger mount, the medium one. I'm going to open it for you to see. You can either use the bigger mount, which is this, depending on the piece of tech in which you're using it for, or you can also use a smaller one. This is the smallest, depending on what you are fixing. And we also have the medium. I think there's the medium. Yes, this is the medium. This is the medium. This is the bigger one. This is the medium, and this is the smallest. So depending on any piece of tech in which you are fixing, you can use anyone with this. So let me put this aside. Then we have the manual. We have the manual on the product, on how to use the product and everything you need to know about this product. That aside, and now to the main thing. Then let me put this by the side. This is the single hot air gun. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. It comes with an handle in which you decide to stand it. You can decide to stand it this way. Maybe when you are not using it, you can decide to stand it. It means in which you want to fix it. And this is the control. This is the regulator. This is what controls the voltage which goes in and which comes out also. And there's the cable. All you need to do is just connect this to your electric power socket, then you're good to go. And I'm going to be connecting this to electricity for you to see how it works. And this you're seeing here, this is what I was saying at first. This is the air. This is where you regulate the air, and this is where you regulate the heat, depending on the piece of tech in which you're going to use. And inside this thing is what we call element. That's what makes this tech to function very well. So now we are connecting this piece of tech to the electricity for us to power it, to see how it looks like when you connect it. And now it's connected to the socket, and here we go. We put it on. As you can see, this is how it. I hope you can hear the sound. This is how it sound. And when you look at over here, the heat at the front, it generates heat over here. And this is the indicator in which you are seeing is displaying the lights to show that the piece of tech is on. And over here we can control the air. The air is high now. Depending on what you are working, you can be able to control this machine. You can control the air. This is the air, and this is the heat. The heat is already up. Then we can reduce it. You take it back, you reduce it. You take it front, you increase it. So it's controlled now, and this is how this machine work. Instead of using an hair dryer for phone technician, all you need to do is to get this piece of tech, this single hot air gun. And I think, and I would really recommend this product to all technicians. Even though you are not using this at your workplace, you can decide to get this at home to be used. And over here, this stuff you're seeing here, this is a stand, is detachable. You can remove it, then refix it back, as you can see. And that's the stand. You use it to stand the machine, and as it is now, it's generating heat. This is where the control is. The control is at the back, so I just put it off. It's gone off. Once it's off, it will take a little time before it finally goes off. So over here is written SMD reworkstation. This is a handheld workstation, which is good once if you're a technician, or maybe you want to start learning on how to fix your mobile phone or fix your gadgets. You can get this, and with this you can learn. And lastly, before I forgot, you can see this is what I meant by it has the mouth. This is where you connect it. You can tighten it over here. There's a screwdriver here and there's a nut. You can tighten it over here to stick to the machine. And there's the bigger mouth. If you can see, there's the bigger mouth, and there's the medium one, and there's the smallest one. All I have for you today. And lest I forget, please, if this is your first time or you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the like, share and subscribe to this channel.